Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can make calls from Zoho CRM. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to crm.zoho.com and log in to your Zoho CRM account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, we're going to set our sights on the left panel. First, we need to make sure that we're clicking right here on this folder icon. And then, from the options, we're going to go to Contacts. After clicking there, you would see all the available contacts currently in your Zoho CRM account. So, by dragging your mouse right here to the right, you should see beside their phone number is a call button right here. So click on that, and then Zoho would ask you to use one of these choices to start the call. And right after that, the call's details would be recorded under this contacts. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!